Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you how to clean up those suggestions and keep your Instagram searches fresh and relevant. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand where these suggestions come from. Instagram uses your past search history to predict what you might be looking for next. Handy, right? But sometimes it can suggest searches you no longer care about or prefer to keep private. Here's how to delete those suggestions. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Here you will need to tap on your activity. Scroll down until you find recent searches and tap on it. Here you can see the clear all button. Tap on it. And there you have it, a clean slate for your Instagram search bar. Remember, staying on top of this little privacy and customization tweaks can make your social media experience much more enjoyable. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides.